Hello, and thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog. Today we're looking at a kitchen window, and because of its direction and where it sits, it posed some issues. So let's take a look at the solution that we chose. In this kitchen, if you look out this window and you're looking through a screen shade right now, you can see out to the outside, that's due west. So in the late afternoon, the sun comes pouring in. So we put this screen shade on. And if you look at the texture of it, you can see that it's a dark color mixed with a little light, so it goes well with the knotty alder wood that the clients have in their home and then the white paint next to it. What we did is we mounted a PowerView remote control, and a couple things that I'm going to show you here. First of all we have to do is hit the open button and the shade is going to open on its own. Notice the huge difference between the amount of glare that we get when the screen shade is covering the window and when it is not. That's why they chose this particular product. Now it's going to go all the way to the top on its own, but I'm going to show you one other neat feature that we do, especially in kitchens. We're going to hit the heart button right there, and the shade is going to lower itself to a position that will allow the homeowner to lower the shade, be working at the sink, and then not have the sun coming directly into their eyes. You can see from this location you can't see the sky at all. So they get a lot of light, but what they won't get is a lot of glare. So when we're doing shades like this, we take into account just tons and tons of options to make sure that we're choosing the right solution for them, and this was the right solution for this client. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog.